In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Instagram feed to your Squarespace 7.1 website. This is a great way to keep your website dynamic and engaging by showcasing your latest Instagram posts directly on your site. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, we're going to start by logging into your Squarespace account. So open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace login page. Once you're there, click on the login button. Now, for convenience, if you have a Google account linked, you can simply click on continue with Google to proceed. This step makes logging in effortless and quick. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on the website where you want to add your Instagram feed. Once your website dashboard is open, we need to head into the editing mode so you can make changes to your site. To do this, click on Edit. It's typically located at the top corner of your site preview. Next up, we need to add a new block where your Instagram feed will appear. Look for the Add Block button and click on it. This will bring up a menu with various options and features you can include in your design. From this menu, scroll or search for the Instagram option and select it. Clicking Instagram creates a space specifically for your Instagram feed on your site page. Once you've added the Instagram block, you need to configure it to display your feed properly. Look for the edit icon on the Instagram block. It's generally in the form of a pencil or similar icon. Click on this to open the settings panel. In the settings, you will see an option to choose an account to link with. Go ahead and select your Instagram account. Make sure you're logged into the right Instagram account to avoid confusion. After selecting your Instagram account, it's time to apply and save these changes to your website. Look for the Save or Apply button. These buttons are often located at the bottom of the settings panel. Click on Save to ensure everything you've set up is securely stored and published to your site. And there you have it, you've successfully added your Instagram feed to your Squarespace 7.1 website. Now, every time you post a new photo or video on Instagram, it'll automatically appear on your site, keeping it fresh and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.